Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Pagod. Pagod. Pagod meaning tired. Lason. Lason. Lason meaning poison. Gamot. Gamot. Gamot meaning medicine or cure. Lunas. Lunas. Lunas meaning cure or solution. Malala. Malala. Malala meaning wars. Nalala. Nalala. Nalala meaning getting worse. Lumalala. Lumalala. Lumalala meaning worsening. Tagyawat. Tagyawat. Tagyawat meaning pimple. Ulap. Ulap. Ulap meaning cloud. Nagniningning. Nagniningning. Nagniningning meaning sparkling or shining. Nanginginig. Nanginginig. Nanginginig meaning shivering. Talsik. Talsik. Talsik meaning splash or kick out. Maalat. Maalat. Maalat meaning salty. Kangkong. Kangkong. Kangkong meaning water spinach. Ngiti. Ngiti. Ngiti meaning smile. Pikit. Pikit. Pikit meaning closed eyes. Inggit. Inggit. Inggit meaning envious or envy. Chismis. Chismis. Chismis meaning gossip. Baliw. Baliw. Baliw meaning crazy. Akit. Akit. Akit meaning seduce. Lampara. Lampara. Lampara meaning lamp. Pulubi. Pulubi. Pulubi meaning homeless. Matulungin. Matulungin. Matulungin meaning helpful. Tanong. Tanong. Tanong question or ask. Sagot. Sagot. Sagot meaning answer. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!